こんにちは。 MI ステラ株式会社の藤原です。今回はミクストロン社の比例式薬液混入器について詳しくご紹介していきます。ミクストロン社はイタリア北部の都市にある薬液混入器の製造メーカーです。当社は2020年からミクストロン混入器の輸入・販売を開始いたしました。これまでの3年間でミクストロン社とは技術的な面も含め様々なやり取りをしてきました。そして2023年3月には営業開発マネージャーのアレッサンドロ・ベルタッツォーニ氏が初来日を果たしました。この動画の前半は来日中に行った視察やセミナーの様子をご紹介します。後半ではアレッサンドロ氏へのインタビューをまとめました。ミクストロン社の製品やお客様に対する思いを語ってくださっています。ぜひ最後までご覧ください。これはミクストロン混入器をすでにご利用いただいているお客様の補助を視察している様子です。バラやトマトの生産者様、バイドメーカー様のお話を伺いました。3月24日にはミクストロン混入器セミナーを開催いたしました。その時の様子をダイジェストでお送りいたします。まずはミクストロン担当者から会社の概要や混入器本体についての説明を、次に私から現在日本で販売されているミクストロン混入器のラインナップと導入事例をご紹介しました。
So, good afternoon to everyone. Sorry if I don't speak Japanese. Who is Mixtron? Mixtron is an Italian company based in the north of Italy. We are quite a young company. Our philosophy is very clear and simple. Quality and reliability of the products. So for us, the quality is a must. The customer is our priority. So every one of our customer must be happy. Otherwise, it's not worth to work together. Our partners are like a family, like Mixtron and MY Stella. Availability of the products always in stock and dedicated service support. These are the main points that for us are really a must, because if you want to be successful in the market, you have to follow this. So, just a quick picture of how the dosing pump is made. So this is just a small explanation of how the pump is working. So the water comes into the pump, activate the piston that make the suction of the additive. With the movement of the piston, the additive comes up, mixed together, and solution mixed water plus additive. So very simple. This is water powered. No need of electricity because the pumps are working with the pressure of the water. Simple. So we have some optional in the pump. The on-off valve, that is similar. We have another device, that is the bypass. The bypass is this stuff. So as you can see, the pump will be like this.
これはスペシャルなオプションの一つでして、非常にそのなんですか、高い pH とかなんですか、こう過激な液体っていうんですかね、非常にその、pH 酸が高かったりアルカリが高かったり、非常にその使いにくい液体を混ぜるときに、このポンプのボディの中ではなくてここの外側でミキシングするというタイプのユニットになります。なのでちょっと彼が言ってることとはまたちょっと付け足しになるんですけども、カチャカチャカチャカチャ動く部分に過激な液体を入れることなく、この外側で混入器を作動させることができるので、非常に安全に長く使えるユニットの方法の一つです。
And then I just want to show you some typical installation that we do. This one is the simple. Now I want to show you in which field Mixtron is active. We are not working only in agriculture, but even in other fields. So, first one, industries. Water usually is car washing. We are doing a lot of car washing, especially in Europe. And you can see usually another one, water treatment. We do a lot of chlorination. Water plus, you remember with the COVID, there were a lot of tunnel with a sprinkler for disinfection. They can be done with these pumps. Livestock. Livestock is the biggest market with agriculture. It's very important. Water with antibiotics, vitamins, prebiotics, sanitizer.
もう一つ非常に大きな、マーケットを占めているのが、畜産用の分野ですね。僕ら農業の業界の人にもやはりあまり馴染みはないとは思うんですけれども、非常にこれも大きなマーケットを占めてまして、例えば養鶏とか養豚とかの飲み水の方に、抗生物質ですとかビタミンとか、その他いろいろなその役に立つような薬剤を混ぜて、使用しているというケースが非常に多いということです。
Your business, agriculture, horticulture, we call fertilization and irrigation. Pesticides, fertilizer, pH acidifiers, sanitizer.
我々の農業の分野では皆さんもご存知だとは思うんですけれども、農薬ですとか肥料ですとか、pH調整剤とか、あとは消毒の関係の液を混ぜて使用されています。
Printing industries, for the papers. The pumps, we have one big company in Italy that manufacture big machines for printing the newspaper. They are putting food and beverage. We are working with some big companies for food processing and meat. And usually they need this solution to protect the food before shipping. So usually, and this is the picture of the market. It's as you can see, agriculture and livestock are the two big parts of the market. It's where there are a lot of numbers and there is a lot of requests of dosing pumps. Just a few differences with the other pump. A lot of people in agriculture, they still use Venturi pump. All our components.
ここに使用されているすべてのネジですね、あとはこのエンジンの中にあるピストンのシャフトもすべて、ステンレスの316というそのちょっと腐食性に強い、優秀な材質を使用しています。304ではなくて316の方ですね。
The springs are in duplex stainless steel.
内部のピストンの内部に使用されているのは、デュプレックスという名前のこれはステンレスの一種でちょっと調べたんですけども、2層ステンレスっていうやつで異なる材質を合わせて、非常にその、A の材質と B の材質のいいところを取ったようなステンレスになります。でこのデュプレックスっていうステンレスのバネは、耐薬品性も強くて、機械的な強度も、非常に高いものになっていると。でちょっと調べたんですけども、普通の SAS316 のスプリングの
We have this plug here that can be used for cleaning internally the pumps. Then we have on all our pump this sticker that is a thermometer. Okay, is a chemical thermometer. Just to show you the final thing. As you can see, even for our plastic, we decided to have a very good thickness because we want that our plastics are resistant. So as you can see here in the ribs or down here, the pump is like robust, heavy, because we want that all our customers are safe with the functioning of the pump and not after 2 days call the pump is broke down because for many reasons.
非常に優秀な、材質を使ってまして、あと肉厚ですとかリブっていってそのプラスチックをこう強化するこういった部分も非常に気を使ってまして、非常な堅牢な作りになっていて安心してご使用いただけること間違いなしということですね。で、
So just to finish, I show you few installations that we did. I mean, we are doing all around the world.
現在販売されている機種の紹介と題しまして、お手元の方に、簡単なカタログ等を配布しております。実際にこのミクストロン社の方にはもっともっとたくさんのラインナップがあるんですけれども、今まだ日本に入ってきているのは非常に限定的で、今一番最初に出てきたこの MX の300の P022 というモデルです。で、設置事例の紹介としていくつかスライドの方をご説明します。で、先ほどのプレゼンテーションの中で温度が高くなると赤くなるぞっていう写真をわざと載せてます。これは直射日光が当たると本当に色がこんな風に茶色く変色します。で、これは同じくこれは本日お見えになっております水門車プロデュース一液式多チャンネル小型ユニットということで、非常にその小さくコンパクトにまとめて、この外が雪っていうのも非常に青森らしくていいのではないかなと思うんですけども、この1台のミクストロン混入器を使って、バイパスの配管になっていて水か液非かを切り分けてその方の現場で、MX の1300の方を使用させていただいてます。以上でございます。その後、ご来場いただいたお客様との交流を兼ねて質疑応答を行いました。混入器を分解し、実際に内部構造を確認しながら、より手軽な使用方法や技術的に優れている点など、専門性の高い話を聞くことができました。
Yes, again, thank you very much for coming here today. I hope that you don't have any problem with the Mixtron. And so nothing. I hope to see you next time in Japan. With some of you we already met, but maybe we can have other opportunity to go out and to see your application and maybe go for a ramen. Ramen. Okay. And nothing. Thanks very much. Thank you very much.
こういった機会に皆様にお集まりいただきまして本当にありがとうございます。この場をお借りしまして今一度深く御礼申し上げます。どうかこれからも引き続き、弊社並びに、ミクストロンカンパニーのことを、応援よろしくお願いいたします。本日は本当にありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。では最後にミクストロン社営業開発マネージャーのアレッサンドロ・ベルタッツォーニ氏のインタビューをご覧ください。
So the relationship between Mixtron and MY Stella started 3 years ago. Actually, we had the first meeting through internet because it was just the beginning of the pandemic.
Yes.
And yes, it was at the first sight a good impression because we found MY Stella through internet and we saw that they were very, very specialized into agriculture and horticulture. So it's the typical partner that we would like to work with. So after the first meeting, we starting our cooperation in the Japanese market, and we saw that we had like the same philosophy. We were aligned on the ideas, and there was a good potential for both of us in Japan. So MY Stella started spreading out mixed-on dosing pumps through the Japanese market, and at this moment we are really successful because we developed in a good way the agricultural application, and I think we have more and more chances to grow up more and more.
3 years, it might be short, but it's long enough. For
Yeah,
this relationship.
I mean, the timing is not so long, but during these 3 years we did a lot of steps together, and now thanks to our cooperation, we are very well known in the market here in Japan. That is good. So Mixtron, what can I say, was designed and produced for being a quality and reliable product. All the materials studied and produced for this kind of product, the dosing pumps, are very high quality. But why? Because it's important to offer a quality product in a market that can resist and work with the different additives used in the different application. So for example, talking about our springs, that the springs are very important because they allow the functioning of the dosing pump.
Right.
Our springs are made in a stainless steel duplex. Why this material? Because this material is good for chemical and for mechanical point of view. This allows us to have a good performance for the product and more resistance of the product during the time. Because compared to other competitors, we decided to make this choice for this material because we think it's the right solution for the functioning and for the resistance. That is one of the most important points even for the customer. So it's important for us to select the right material in order to handle these kind of additives and chemicals that sometimes are quite dangerous for the plastic of the pumps and for the internal components. So for another example, for the O-rings and seals that we have in our dosing pump, we have a few different material in order to handle the alkyls, the acids, and some corrosive additives. So it's our choice, even if sometimes the pump could look a little bit expensive, but it's our choice to guarantee the performance and the durability of our products, because they are the components that are always stressed during the functioning of the pump. So it's important for us to guarantee a good quality of material and of course the single components as well, because when we are talking about the springs, our springs have a very well designed coil, very strong, and the resistance is more. we are doing our best together, Mixtron and MY Stella, in the market to offer a good product, a good service, a good support, and from what I can see from the market is that more and more new customers are using Mixtron. This is a good sign because it means that customers are happy, not only about the product, but thanks to the support that MY Stella is giving to everyone. Because more and more in the market, you're not just selling a product, but you're selling like a package, including the service, the maintenance, the sales support, the spare parts. So the message to the Japanese customer is to keep on trying and using Mixtron because more and more we are becoming successful in the market, and I'm sure that we have more step ahead to reach together. Thank you too for this interview, and I'm sure that the successful is still going on.
Yes, I think the Japanese users would really love to hear the package with service is what you sell.
Yeah.
So I think everyone is going to be really relieved to hear that word.
Exactly. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Alexandro.
Thank you.